The moment I realized, oh, this is going to help me.
My luck had kind of run out.
We're not just junkies, we're human beings.
Deserving of a life without chaos.
Connect with others so you can get that community.
If I can help save any lives, that's what I'm here to do.
Welcome to the Side Effects episode of the Step by Step podcast. Before we dive in, a message from our sponsors.
Constipation.
Being super constipated, oh my God.
Constipation is definitely the worst part of it.
Be super constipated, being so backed up.
So lots of fiber with any of these medications is a great idea.
Like we said before, everyone's journey is different. Now, most of us did experience this one side effect. There are other challenges to consider.
There are side effects.
I definitely struggled with the weight gain, digestive issues. I did have to change my diet quite a bit and try and manage those symptoms. That's something that I wish I had known before starting.
If you are a person who has periods, you might miss it, so don't get freaked out.
Potential side effects are headaches, nausea, pain, constipation, and insomnia. Not everyone experiences those kinds of side effects.
I had a few hospital visits for being so backed up. It was really bad. And that wasn't necessarily something that I was informed about. So it was a shock.
They are real challenges. It has interfered with my work, at times. But if you know what's available to treat it or prevent it or whatever, it's manageable.
Everyone will have their own OAT journey. Not everyone's experience is the same. There are benefits and risks. Reduced cravings are a benefit. Constipation, not so much.
All right, don't forget the fiber. Our next episode is The Big Picture. We look at the importance of other supports while you are on OAT. Thanks for watching. See you next time.